name is Lionel Makumebebe. I am an extern at this externship, and I am absolutely happy to demonstrate to you my AI RAG assistant. So I am going to begin by uploading some documents on here. Come here. I already created a test mortgage package for this like demonstration, and I also went ahead to search for some sample mortgage documents to add to this demonstration. So I will be uploading this test mortgage package and this mortgage loan disclosure statement onto this chatbot, and then I'm gonna process these two documents. And here we have like information about it, how it was processed. So there were two files processed. Total chunks is 12. Document types, all of this, and then when we scroll a little bit more down, we have each of the files right here, and info, more details on how the chunks were split and like allocated to specific document type. So mortgage application is one chunk, payslip one, bank statement one, property valuation one, for the mortgage loan disclosure statement. We have eight chunks, and all eight chunks they all fall within the mortgage application type basically. So let's say I want to run like a prompt in the to run a prompt in this chatbot right now. Let's say I choose to run this example question. What is the loan amount? It takes some time to load, so just give it like a few seconds. Nice, here we go. And then we have all the information about like what the loan amount is. It's I prefer to use ones for this specific project. Is 1,850,000 ones. And let's say I want to use one personal prompt without this. Sorry. Um, so what is the name of sorry the name of the applicant? As you can see, it returns the name of our dear applicant. His name is James K. Oduya, a very beautiful name. Um, so it equally has like extra features. Let's say I want to filter by document type. So right here we have like all basically, and let's say I want to specify it more to like specific document type, say bank statement. So what the filtering does is that like if any prompt gets put, like if the question of the prompt falls within like the scope of the document type, is going to return like a response to us. But if it doesn't fall within like the bounds of the document type, it is going to return a response saying there's no relevant answer to our question. So for example, let's say it's currently in bank statement. Um, if I use a prompt or question that deals with bank statements, let's say I want to use what's the current account balance. Give me some time, please. Lately I've been- Nice. As you can see, I get a response because the question that was being asked falls within the scope of a bank statement. But let's say if I want to like ask a question which falls out of that bound, let's say I want to ask what property is being mortgaged, send. Um, As you can see, I have this response that says no relevant content found in the uploaded documents. Say please upload and process your PDFs first or try rephrasing your question. That's because when the question being asked is out of the bounds of the document type that we're dealing with right now, so it can't return any response. Um, but let's say if I use this very same question on a different document type which concerns this question, like property valuation, for example, and I send, um, I am going to actually receive a response this time around. Just give it time to load. Lately, I've been going to sleep, Dreaming about the things that we could be. Baby, I've been running through my say no more falling. Oh, that is wonderful. So as you can see, we have a whole response to this. The following details about the property being mortgaged can be identified. Blah, 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 blah. Address, F number, property type, zoning, land size for area, blah, blah, blah. All the information that concerns with the property is on here. That's pretty much that for demonstration. And I can also save the chat history in a JSON file onto the backlog of my code. And I can also clear the chat to start over like this. Nice. Plus, I can also clear out the documents that were used by doing this. Um, yeah, and the drop file feature also works. Let's say I want to drop a file on here. Um, excuse me. So I want to drop let's say this uniform residential loan this uniform residential loan application, and just drop it right here. I need copies, and then I can process it. Then boom, it's processed. So all of these things appear within the mortgage application document type only, 11 chunks. So that's pretty much it for my demo. I hope you liked it. And I had an absolute blast working as an extern for this project. I hope to be able to work with this company again, like in the future. Um, like Outamation, thank you very much for this opportunity. And yes, see you guys.